Yeah, hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my screen. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so a lot of people have been asking me, is Binance or something like that legit? To me, according to source, it's not legit. Yeah, it's not legit. So don't depend on that. It's not legit. Yeah. So today I'm here to flip another small money to big money, another small accounts to higher accounts. Yeah. So join me and let's do together. Yeah, join me, let's do together. Yeah. So before I will start today's episode, please, if you need the black market app, it's $40. Before you chat me, know that the black market app is $40. Don't chat me and be like, how much is it? It's $40. That's why I always say in my videos. So if you're a risk taker and you can do it, it's cool. Yeah. And if you also need my mentorship too, click on the link in the bio, chat me on Telegram, and let's catch vibe together. And remember this, I will not be a first person to chat you. A lot of people are impersonating me on this app. Yeah, they are trying to chat people using my name and be like, they have app, they want to help you, blah, 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 blah. I will not be a first person to chat you. I will not be a first person to chat you. Yeah. So me, if you're ready for business, you can call me video call, we can do it and stuff. I don't chat you first. So if any name with my image and stuff chat you, it's not me. I will not chat you first. I will not do that. So please take it serious. Yeah. So today you'll be using Bybit and the black market app. Yeah. So we'll be using Solana. So currently, if I come here to search for Solana, you can see that Solana over here is 163.33. So as a beginner, if you want to register on Bybit, I have Bybit link in the description. You can register and be on Bybit. Yeah. And as a beginner, before you do everything, you have to go to your home P2P to buy your URLs. So if you don't know how to buy everything, if you want to learn everything from scratch, I can guide you on that. Yeah. So after buying everything, the money will be in your assets funding, then you transfer it to your unified, then you come to your trade and you buy your coin. Yeah, you buy your coin. So right now, over here, before you buy every coin, I've already told you that there are certain things that you have to consider. So if you consider all these things and it's cool, then you do it. Because like if I come here, the Solana currently is 163. 163. So if I open the Black Market Exchange, one Solana is what? 184. So it means that every trade will be earning like $9. Yeah. So before you do that, just what check your withdrawal fee first and see if the withdrawal fee, if you deduct that withdrawal fee from your profits, you'll still be making profit like that. Yeah. So if I come to Solana here, my withdrawal fee is, I think it's 1.3. Yeah. 1.3 over here. So it means that if I deduct 1.3 from 9 something, I will still be earning like $8 on one Solana. Yeah, so you can buy 5 Solana and they will still deduct you 1.3 as the withdrawal fee. Yeah, any amount that you want to withdraw, they will still deduct you 1.3. Yeah, so when you come to your Bybit or any exchange that you are using, it's not only Bybit, any exchange that you are using, then you come to your buy, you buy it at the rate of 163.12. Then after that, you will transfer the money to the black market exchange. I've already showed you how you can transfer the money and stuff. Yeah. So when you come here, you can see that over here to get for one Solana is 184.25. So if I'm using 5 Solana, I'm getting 921. 921. So let me check here and show you something. So by using, I want 9 Solana. So 9 Solana, I'll be spending 1,467. 1,467. That's the money I'll be spending to get 9 Solana. It's what 1,467.36 to get 9 Solana. So if I'm using 5 Solana, I'll be spending 815.2. 815.2. So it means that if I'm selling this Solana and be getting 814, I'm making losses. If I'm getting 800 or 700, I'm still losing money. If I'm getting 815.1, I'm still making losses. You see that thing? I have to make more than that. So I'll come to the black market app, and here 5 Solana is 921. So 921.28. 921.28. 921.28 minus. So I'll open my Bybit. That's 815.2. 815.2, and my profit will be 106. So the fee is 1.3. So it means that if I'm using 5 Solana, every trade I'll be earning 104 per every trade. So if I'm able to do 4 times a day, so times 4, I'm making 419.12. 419.12 times Ghana cedis right now is 11.9. It means that every day I'll be making 4,987. And people saying that, hey, Charlie, is show is that is why I first of all show you my portfolio, the money I'm earning on this black market platform. I'm earning a lot, and because over the rates are very high, I just keep some money in some portfolio so that it will grow more and I will withdraw. That's how I do my thing. Yeah. You see? Yeah. So if you're in Ghana, this the money that you'll be earning every day. That's 4,987 every day. 4,987 every day. So for 4 times straight, using 5 Solana. So if you trade every week, let's say if you trade all day, at times the arbitrage, let's say the price can go up and come down. So let's assume that if the price is the same for this is the first day, so times 31 days, you are making 154,613 Ghana cedis. You see that thing? Yeah. And people still don't believe, but it's cool. That's why I already show you my portfolio for just a month. Yeah. So this is how you make your money. And one secret about crypto arbitrage is that the higher your investment, the higher your returns. You see? Yeah. And in my mentorship, I don't teach only the black market. I show you how to trade from scratch, how to find opportunities, and how to use the arbitrage bots to search for coins in order to make the trade very easy for you. But if you also need the black market, then I will teach you that one also, because I've already told you that black market comes with risk, and if you're ready to take risk, that means you're ready to make money. That's how it is. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and I'm Crypto Lord. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, follow me, and let's cash out together. I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.